Live betting can be fast and profitable if you use the right strategy. Let me share with you 4 simple suggestions that can protect your capital and lose less money. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration. Choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. First of all, watch the game, don't just rely on stats. When you have the game in your control on the screen, you can also make cash out earlier if you see that the situation is not in your favor. Second, bet on favorites if they fall behind early. Odds improve quickly. Next one, use over-under markets. Goals and points often come late. And the last one, keep bets small and quick. Live odds change fast. There is no need to keep long positions because this will guarantee more risk and of course more probability to lose money. So live betting is about timing. React fast and you can bring big wins in minutes. And if you enjoyed this video, put like, subscribe, and see you soon.